Hi everyone! So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my press-on nails. So first I'm starting off with a acetone remover and I'm going to use that on a cotton pad, and I'm pretty much going to take it on the bed of my nails and just get all the old gunk, any oils or anything like that, and take that all away. And then I'm going to take a nail file and I'm obviously going to file down my nails because it gives it a nice rough surface for the press-on nails to be able to stick to. So I've been wearing press-on nails for a decent amount of time, and the two techniques that I was previously using I feel like didn't make my nails last as long. So I did see this on an Instagram tutorial on the clutch nails page, which by the way I'm using the clutch nails in high maintenance. And pretty much what they said to do was to put glue on the actual nail and then to put glue on your nail bed. And then the two glues will stick together and that will make the longevity of the nails last longer. I probably should have mentioned earlier too that when you get the box, you obviously get more than just like 10 nails in a box. They come in a whole bunch of different sizes, so you're just going to want to make sure that the nails that you pick are ones that are going to be able to fit on your nails the way you want them to. Once I've got all my nails glued on, I just like to go ahead and make sure that the sides are all filed down and they all kind of match. So like I'll put my fingers together, each finger, and then make sure that the length matches and that the shape matches. And that's it. That's how I do my press-on nails. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, don't forget to leave them in the comment box down below. Don't forget, you can also leave questions in the comment box down below about nails or anything in general. Otherwise, don't forget to give the video a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!